This low-mileage 92 Stealth RT twin-turbo is an exceptional example of an unmolested time capsule. Pampered since new, it will transport you back to the days when stellar performance outshined raw horsepower. Sporting low, well-maintained mileage since it rolled out of the showroom, this Dodge has rarely seen anything other than sunshine and warm summer days. A quick check of the car's undercarriage and suspension reveals no evidence of substantial rot or abuse. A quick check of its VIN certifies its body has never seen any major repairs. And a quick glance in our studio confirms its clean black paint is both rich and glossy. Presenting a striking contrast to its glossy exterior, this coupe's two-tone cockpit displays hardly any signs of wear. The 6-way power driver's seat keeps you as comfortable for quick jaunts as it does for long road trips. A dramatic dash is packed full of factory instrumentation that works exactly as it should, and a crack-free console anchors a black shifter on clean carpet that's protected by thick floor mats. The core of the powertrain is a dual overhead cam 24-valve 3-liter 6-cylinder, which sports electronic fuel injection, aluminum heads, and of course, 2 turbochargers. The 296 horsepower mill feeds all-time 4-wheel drive through a Jetric 5-speed manual. Whenever we post low-mileage Japanese sports cars, they sell almost immediately. A whole generation of buyers grew up with these curve-carving coupes, and since they're becoming increasingly scarce, the good ones get snapped up as quickly as they hit the market. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.